Rexnord here with your Motor Minute Tech Tip, helping you become a motor pro 1 minute at a time.
Today's Motor Minute topic is Genteq motor model numbers. The May 10th, 2022 Tech Tip, Motor Replacement and Technical Support Tips, provides suggestions related to gathering the information that will help you get the correct support or replacement motor to get the job done. While providing tech support recently, I realized there is another tip that will help you and the support person specifically with Genteq motors. Genteq, or formerly branded GE or GE ECM by Regal Beloit model numbers, are typically segmented and listed in two different size fonts. Notice the model number circled on the rating plate below. It would be logical to think that the model number is 5SME39HX and that L3001 is something else since it is a larger font and there is a gap between the two numbers. However, the full model number is actually 5SME39HXL3001. It's also worth noting that many 48-frame Genteq ECM motor model numbers begin with 5SME39. This model number structure has been used on ECM products for over 30 years. And while the letters between the numbers 5 and 39 have changed in recent years, recognizing this structure can be helpful in locating the model number. Conversely, 48-frame Genteq permanent split capacitor PSC motor model numbers predominantly begin with 5KCP39 and have done so for over 40 years. As you can see, this is very helpful locating the model number when the words model number are not provided. The correct and complete motor model number will help you find the correct replacement motor or support to get the job done. Genteq product support and cross-reference tools are just a click away at thedealertoolbox.com. And that's a wrap on this segment of Motor Minute. Remember, we provide motor training and product information in multiple formats, including videos, literature, podcasts, articles, of course, Motor Minute technical tips, and classroom education, both online and face-to-face. All of this industry-leading training is available at no charge to HVAC professionals at regalmmu.com. Thank you for taking the time to build your motor knowledge.